Welcome to another Wealth Coffee Chats. Marvellous Monday. Hope you're well, folks, wherever you are. If you think it's Get Rich Quick, you're in the wrong place. This is the wrong podcast. This is the wrong life for you. Welcome to another Wealth Coffee Chat. Hope you're all awesome and well.
Morning, folks. Hope you're all good. Down here in the Melbourne airport today, doing a little bit of travel. Thought I'd jump on the live and just do a quick something on the road today. But didn't get a chance to check in yesterday. Hope you're all well, wherever you are, folks. Good to see a few of you on this morning. I am a bit early, earlier than normal. So there you go. How are you, Jeff? Yeah, I'm going to jump on a plane in a minute, so I thought I'd sort of get connected with you guys before I hopped on a plane going down to Sydney as well today. So popped into Melbourne, but thought I might do a quick check-in before I jump on the plane and do the planes, trains, and automobiles. So I hope you're well, folks. Good to see a few of you on already. I am an hour early in comparison to when I normally get going, but it's the normal time from back in the day for the Wealth Coffee Chat. But anyway, there you go. Good to see you. If you're here, thanks for joining. If you're watching the replay, this is a bit of an anomaly today because I'm travelling. Morning, Justin. There's Justin is in the house. Hello, mate. Good to see you. I'm on the phone too, so it might be a little bit glitchy, folks. Jeff's here too, up early as well, Jeff. Good to see you, mate. And one or two Facebook users maybe behind the veil, so there you go. Hey, I thought I'd sort of check in. Interesting data and information coming out, as always. You take that data and info with a pinch of salt, but it's not the holy grail of all reasons to make decisions as a property investor. But a few things are going on right now. I chucked it in the headlines of what's going on. But tell me, Ken, what do you reckon? What is the lowest in history right now? The lowest ever in history, Australia-wide. Setting records. There's a few of you on now. What do you think it might be? Chuck it in the chat for me. What do you think we're breaking records and setting the lowest in history is going on right now? Hey, morning, Andrew. Good to see you, mate. What is something in the world of property investing that's happening right now that is the lowest in history? Yeah, and Cole, you're onto it. All over it. And I was talking about this the other night as well at mentoring, right? Unbelievable. The vacancy rate right now is like unreal. Well, it depends on who you are. Let's put it that way. But let's have a bit of a look at where are we right now when it comes to this vacancy rate and the numbers. you know, the number of renters with high incomes is significant again at highs around the country. So for you and me as property investors, what does it mean? What does that mean for us as property investors when it comes to purchasing and buying and making sure we stay on track with our property portfolio goals? Well, you know, the rents are going up significantly. A lot of cash flow pressure in the last sort of 12, 18 months for borrowers. Certainly owner occupiers have been more affected than investors. But, you know, some of our properties might look a bit negative cash flow on our analysis right now or in recent times. And, you know, for us, for you, for me, you know, does that stop us? Should that stop us buying our investments? And the answer is no, for all sorts of reasons I won't dive into today because I don't have enough time. But just look at these stats and facts, folks. There is so much pressure on the rents. The rents will continue to go up. At some point this year or early next year, the interest rates will go down. Rents going up, interest rates going down, and the part will change. I was chatting with some investors the other day, and they're talking about, interest rates are high. And I'm like, let's just, you know, history is not the future, but let's go back and look at history. At any time in history, have interest rates stayed high forever? And the answer is no. What happens is interest rates go up. There's a reaction in the market. Multiple different versions of the past. You know, things might, economies might change, jobs might change, whatever. Anyway, interest rates go up. It's a bit more expensive for you and I to borrow. It's a bit more expensive to pay the mortgage. And then what happens? Well, the rents go up. Other things change, which alleviate those stresses and pressures. And then the banks lose business. The RBA starts to see the economy slow, and it puts the interest rates down. So, anyway, when you look backwards, interest rates don't stay high for long. When rents go up, you're not going to put them down. So right now, for all of us as property investors, you know, the last maybe 6-12 months have been a little bit uncertain, but right now we know exactly what the next few years holds, folks. We know exactly what the next few years hold. Record low vacancy rates. The rents are going through the roof. Unfortunately, terrible construction and supply to the marketplace. The pressure is on property prices and supply. There's no supply. There's no quality supply for the next 3 to 5 years in either rentals or new properties or even existing properties on the market. And as soon as those interest rates go down, the existing pressure that is sitting on the sidelines waiting for things to change because they didn't buy last year because it was too expensive or there was some uncertainty, are going to rush back to the market. And already early signs in places like Sydney in February, buyers are paying well over the asking price, and the market is literally going crazy. So folks, don't miss out. If you're sitting there and you're thinking, should I buy one this year? I'm telling you right now, you are going to miss out on opportunity. You're going to miss out on position of property. You're going to miss out on price of property, and you're going to miss out on the rent of the property if you don't crack on. If you can right now and you're sitting on the fence, don't anymore. Reach out to your coach, reach out to your team, get going, because the stats are showing us we should be cracking on. All right. Morning, Mizzou. Good to see you. There you go. Anyway, folks, I thought I'd just check in for a quick one early this morning. And if you're watching this on the replay, it will be tomorrow. I should be back on normal time. Let me check my calendar. This flying stuff I'm not used to anymore. Tomorrow I'll be fine. Tomorrow I'll be at normal time. All right. So tomorrow I'll be at 8:10 Queensland time, 9:10 the rest of the country. All right. There you go. Anyway, join me tomorrow, folks, for another one. A quick fast and furious coffee chat this morning. Hope you're well. Thanks for joining early, and Be good. Take care. I think that's about it. Thanks, folks. Good to see you. See you tomorrow. Hang out then. All right. Bye for now.